Hi guys, how's it going? It's just Gareth here, just from Access to Tech. So this is just a quick follow-on video about Easy Reader, which is a cool little app from Dolphin. So this ties in and marries up to a previous video that we did. We did a previous video on RNIB Bookshare. So this app kind of marries in with that, and it allows reading on a device so much easier for anyone with a print disability. So covering print disabilities, again, it's anyone with a visual impairment, dyslexia or dyspraxia, or any form of autism. Unfortunately, it's not for people that are using English as a second language, so EAL students aren't able to access Bookshare at the moment. So let's get into this app then and have a quick look at it. So the first thing you need to do is you'll be faced with this screen here, and you got to choose about logging in. So you can create a Dolphin account, or you can create a Google account. So what I've done is I've created a Google account, and so you just go to the Google account via a Google account or via a Dolphin account, which can be done on the Dolphin website. All free, by the way. It's no cost involved whatsoever for this. All you need to do is download the app and create an account. You'll be faced with My Books. Now, I've already downloaded 2 books as an example that we can have a look at from Bookshare, but it's dead easy to do. So you just go to your Bookshare account, your RNIB Bookshare, you'll click on it and you'll sign in, and then you'll be able to see books and go into it and use Bookshare on the device to download the books directly to the device, or you'll be able to share those books by sending them to your students, who will all have a little login, because you can create a login through there, and then they'll all log into their Bookshare and their books will be automatically sent to them, and they'll just be able to download those books. Okay, cool. So you can have a certain amount of libraries at the side. It doesn't all have to just be the Bookshare. There's like Project Gutenberg. So if you tend to join other libraries, or maybe even local libraries, it can all be tied in somehow. Okay, you can add and manage libraries at the side there. And there's loads to choose from. Okay, so once you've signed up for those libraries, whether the Australian libraries or the Dolphin library, I don't know whether any of these carry fees, but I know for one, Bookshare doesn't. So that's how it ties in nicely with Bookshare, and that's the one I tend to use alongside it. Okay, so go back to your books. So once downloaded, you might have a section here which has got your books on. So for example, I want to go to The Boy in the Striped Pyjamas. I'll open it up, and if you press play.
My mother knew your father when he was just a boy of your age.
Okay, you can change the voice. So you click on the voice, change the voice settings, change the volume, change the pitch and the rate in which they talk, add pauses, increase the pauses between each word or each sentence, or change the voice altogether. So there's loads of voices to choose from, lots of accents, German voices, different languages. So yes, Spanish. You can have books read in Spanish if you wanted, and then you can just change it to whatever you want. So I'll just try this nice little Irish accent here.
Age, said Maria after a few moments. She worked for your grandmother. She was...
Okay, so that's all in there, the audio settings. At the side of the audio settings is a big A. What the big A does is it manipulates the text. So you can do things like zoom out, zoom in, alter the margins, alter the space between each margin, alter the line spacing, character spacing, so that changes the space between each character. And this one changes the space between each line. Text colour, you can change the text colour if you want them to be different colours. Lots to choose from. The same with the background colour. So maybe you want to change the background colour to yellow, for instance. Once you've done that, you might want to change the highlighting then to, so it's black or something. So then it makes life a little bit easier. So it'll give you a black highlight on the yellow background if you wish to do that. So I'm going to go back, there's a word highlighting. I will keep it as yellow as I like it as yellow. Okay. And if you do mess up, you can always go to the defaults at the side to restore to defaults. Let's play.
A dresser for her when she toured Germany as a younger woman. She arranged all the...
And then if you go to the book navigation, which is at the bottom left, you can go through and find the area of the book in which you want in the different chapters, different pages. Search for areas of the chapter, search for areas of the page, search for numbers of chapters. You can search for words at the top, so you might say something like boy, it gives you all the instances of boy's been mentioned, a little definition, and you can skip straight to that bit within that chapter. You can also bookmark, and within bookmark, you can add a note, so maybe you want to revise for Monday. Or you can add an audio note, which you can do a recording at the side then for a couple of minutes, and then that'll tie that in with that. So you might say revise for Monday on that bit there, and then you can just save at the side. And then if you go to bookmarks, you can say, you can have it at the side, and you've got areas that you need to revise or what have you. Okay, and that's basically it. Click in here, go back to your books, takes you back to your books. Okay, and then if you need to log out, you can do it by going to my Dolphin account and clicking log out. You use this on any device, so it works on Apple, it works on Android, on tablets, and it's a free app. It's a nice free app to go with that free website where you can get hold of books if you've got a print disability. Okay, all right, cool. Well, anyway, I'll catch you next time. Hope you found that helpful, and take care of each other. Bye.